Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to turn off DM, which means that direct messages from your Instagram. And this method works for all Android and iOS platforms because this Insta app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, click to open your Instagram mobile application. And don't forget to log in your account details. So once your account is ready, now enter the home page section. In bottom it shows some icons. So here you can press this circle icon and the final one. And it shows my install profile informations. So here you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner. And this page is slightly moving. So now this time you can go to settings, and these are the some settings main category. So here you can go to notifications and the second one, and this notification settings has some subcategories. So here you can select direct messages and the fourth option. So if you want to disable this direct message feature, by simply turn off these following options, and the first one is message request. So you can select off, and the second one is messages. So here also you can select off. So once you turn off this both of the settings, in future no one won't able to send the direct messages for your Insta profile. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.